Tunnel exhaust. Oh gosh, I hate this road for its bumps, like sudden bumps. They fixed a few of the major ones. Like I've actually gone airborne on the scooter before. It's kind of funny not having to worry about like, can I go fast enough? Is my belt wide enough or in good enough condition to get me up to 60? Oh, excuse me. On the scooter, it's like I'm worried about what variator I have in, what belt I had in, all that stuff. And on this bike, it's like, yeah, you can go like 80 if you wanted. Yeah, getting a little leaned over, not, oh, straighten up, that's a bump. Okay. And here was another one. Is it still big? Oh, yeah, it is still big. The funny thing, I'm going against the wind, I think. And that used to be a huge deal on the scooter. Now it's like, so what? It just feels windier. But no, what I'm saying is like, when I was going against the wind on the scooter, I couldn't go very fast. It was so hard to get up to speed. At the faster speeds, like 50, I'd be like really like pulling that throttle. And now, if I do that, yep, I'm up to 60. I didn't even pull it all the way. I just pulled it a little bit. Well, look at that. What is it? What is that thing? Looked interesting. Let's see. I feel like he's gonna go racing. These two are like creeping up, creeping. Are they gonna race? I knew it. That's funny because the truck was like, you know, he was about to race, and the one in front of me is like, haha, made you race. What? Did you see him? People hear my bike and they just want to race. I'm a little worried about this bike. This truck is right on his butt. You know what? I was gonna make a turn here, but this truck right here next to me is kind of like on this biker's butt. So I'm just gonna follow for a little bit, make sure everything's gonna be okay. Yeah, he's not really tailgating him. He's just not paying attention, I think. Look at that. He's like speeding up, hitting his brakes. Okay, good. The truck is turning off. Okay. I'm good now. I feel better. That's a loud bike. Ah, GoPro! Yay! Oh, he's zooming. Oh my gosh, what? What is that? Oh.
I thought it was just that little building.
What the heck? Ah, my phone just froze. Green screen, it froze. Ah.